Good morning, students. Welcome in math lecture with the new lesson, that is profit and loss. See, last lecture we have seen what is percentage. Now in this lecture we are going to study what is profit and what is loss. Now see, if you are purchasing anything from shop, it is of 200 rupees, right? You purchase it and after some time you sell that same thing with 250 rupees. See, what is your purchasing price? You purchase on 200 rupees and you sell it or sold it on 250 rupees. Obviously you got 50 rupees more in this 200 rupees. So you got more money. That is your profit. And if suppose you purchase it at 200 rupees and sell it on at 180 rupees. So here you got loss because you spend 200 on that and you get 180 only, means there is loss of 20 rupees, right? You lose your 20 rupees from your pocket. This is your profit and this is your loss. Understand, everyone? So from this we conclude one formula for this profit and loss. So what is that formula? See, this is price of selling, that is more than this purchase. As per our subtraction rule, we are always subtracting lesser number from the greater number. So your selling price minus your purchasing price, or it is also called as cost price. What is it called? Cost price. So cost price. Okay, so the formula for profit is selling price minus cost price, or it is also written as SP minus CP. SP means selling price, CP means cost price. Now in case of loss, your purchasing or your cost price is more and your selling price is less. So as per subtraction rule, we are writing as cost price minus selling price, or it is also written as CP minus SP. Understand? So by using these two formulas, we are going to solve our practice set 31. So let's start with practice set 31. First question is, the cost price and selling price are given in the following table. Find out whether there was profit or loss and how much it was. Now see, for this you no need to draw this tabular form. So, write like this. First one, CP, that is cost price, 4,500. SP, 5,000. Right? So after writing this, you observe first what is greater. SP means selling price is greater. So write as selling price is greater than cost price, there is profit. Now write the formula for profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Always habitual for writing the formula, okay, because when you write formula all the time, you automatically learn it properly. Understand? So SP minus CP means 5000 minus 4500, which gives you 500, and this is your profit. Understand? Now I am taking the last one, that is fourth one. Cost price is 1000 and selling price is 920. By putting a glance, you only say that SP is lesser than CP, so there is loss. As SP is lesser than CP, there is loss. Now write the formula for loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP is your 1000 and 920 is your SP. So answer is 80. So loss is 80 rupees. Understand, everyone? Now after this, I am taking the second one. A shopkeeper bought a bicycle for rupees 3000 and sold the same for rupees 3400. How much was the profit? Was his profit? Now in this case, they have already told you that there is a profit. So you only write what is the cost price of shopkeeper? 3000. And what is the selling price? 3400. Right? So as they told, there is a profit. So directly write profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP minus CP. SP is 3400. CP is 3000. How much profit? 400 rupees. Okay. So question number first, that is complete table, and question number 2 is your today's homework. Next sum we will take in the next lecture. Till then, everyone, take care and bye bye.